Oh, I see.
I'm trying to build it up with my cars, you know.
Yeah.
There. Put it all the way down.
All the way down. It acts like it want to go. It acts like it wants to go.
I know, right there.
That's what don't make sense.
Alright, you might have to guide me up on there.
Alright.
Let that rim down and pour them black things out there with it. A little rubber thing. Might just be on this side. That one rubber thing back here. See? Right here on this rim. Go up some. That should be one in the corner there too. Alright, now lay it down.
That one too. No, you mean get that one?
No, it's just this side.
Oh, you got it back. Watch your door. Oh, you're good. Yeah, yeah. Let's give it a push.
Yeah.
Let off and. I got more torques than the car does right now.
Yeah, I know, right? I need to go a little further right.
Are you trying to bump all the way up?
Yeah.
Oh, that should be good.
Is that tire over the edge of that?
It's over the bar, yeah. Are you trying to bump up against the bar? Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Right there. That's it, money.
Alright. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir.